Alright, here we got something a little different, bluecollarcustomcycles.com. We've got a really clean Street Glide in the house, and we've got a reverse kit we're getting ready to put in it. bluecollarcustomcycles.com. Got something pretty cool here today. We just installed the Motor Trike reverse kit in Paul's 2016 Street Glide. Steve's going to show you how easy this works. Also the safety features on it. You got a trike or any kind of bike you want to add reverse, we can do it. Back her right up. Now it's got a safety feature along with the install. When it's in reverse, you try and put it in gear, it shuts the bike off. Pull that back out of reverse and you're ready to go. You've got your control right down here. There you go again. Real easy to use. We can do it to just about any bike or trike. bluecollarcustomcycles.com.